With the Start Later option, you can save the operating mode, time and temperature for a later point in time. This can be practical if, for example, you are going out and have prepared something for your loved ones or the babysitter. In the first step, we'll show you how to program your oven to start later. Select the desired function, the temperature and time. Here we've selected hot air with steaming at 170 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. Now tap on the menu and select Start Later. Activate the option and confirm with OK. The settings are now saved for 36 hours. And here's how to activate the previously saved settings. Simply tap on Start. The display now shows the remaining cooking time, so the person who is cooking the prepared food knows exactly how long it will take. Practically nothing can go wrong.